I'm just going to show you how to change out these plates. I'm not going to say a whole lot. I'll also put the lip balm small vial adapter in, just so that you know how to do it. So, remove pins. Slide it to the left, slide it to the right. That comes out. And this goes in. Now, one thing I'm going to point out is that this separator plate has two sides to it. This side, rounded side, this side over here, sharp side, and that sharp side is used for thinner labels that are more difficult to separate from the liner. So you've got both sharp and rounded. Now what I'm going to show you is how to put in the lip balm small vial adapter. And I want you to notice this. These slots are rather lengthy, rather tall. I've got this roller adjusted up in the slots because that's the way it was best for a small bottle that we were doing. But anyway, this pops right out. And this pops right in. And this is the lip balm and small vial adapter for these kind of containers, small containers. This one can actually go down to 1/4 inch in diameter, and will go up to 1.5 inches in diameter, so you don't have to change it out all the time to make changes. But then, you know, when you're not going to use this, it pops right out. And there will be some wing nuts on here too, but I just want to show you how it went in and out. And it's very easy to do. Then this front roller can go back in here for certain uses. This roller can go in there for certain uses, and we'll be demonstrating these other uses in future videos.